Let's build a counter application just to reinforce what we just learned. This is a normal column that we have, and then I decorated the background a little bit. Inside here, we'll create a variable called counter, and then by remember, and then we'll pass mutable state of, and then the initial will be 0. So we are going to count from 0. Okay, so we have our test. Inside the test, we want to show the count. So we'll pass the counter. So we want to add a row. So pass. So inside the row, we have button. So on click. Remember the on click. So inside the on click, what do we want to do? We want to increase the counter. So you do it counter plus plus, and then the test, which will be. So I'll just copy this, and then I'll duplicate it. So here we'll count down. So we have to reduce it. We'll use minus, and then you do decrease. So we can add a spacer to get some space between it. And then we can add some modifier, fill mask width, put it in the center. Yeah, so let me add some spacer between these two. So let's run it. You see that? So anytime you click on it, it is increasing it. This is a counter, and then this one will decrease it. Yeah, so this one will increase it, this one will decrease it. Yeah, so it's working perfectly. Once we made our variable a state, Compose is able to track it and then update the UI accordingly. If you find this helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. So in the next video, we'll look at how to handle input. So test field, how to accept input, user input. So see you there.